Tough shoes to follow, bro. But it's all right. I know this guy's story, man. He shared it with me earlier, and I'm telling you, just amazing what God did for him at this conference. Caleb, share it with us.
So, my name's Caleb. I'm 22 years old, and I guess I'll get my background first. I grew up in a Christian background, Christian family. Shouts out one time to my mom and dad. But anyways, at like 14 years old, man, I got into drugs, and because I was in with a lot of depression, a lot of self-hatred. I hated myself, I hated the way I looked. I hated my life, and my escape was drugs. I started out small, and throughout this time I kind of had encounters with God. He kept me. There's more testimony I can go into, but at 19 years old I got into harder drugs, started using a needle, and it just went downhill from there. My life's been a lot harder since then, and I'm 22 years old now. To be honest with you guys, I just got out of jail a few days ago. It was Thursday night, and my mama said, we're going to rent. What? I'm like, no, we didn't. She said, it's Friday, you ain't got no job. Yes, you're right, you know. So we're coming down here, and I'm saying to myself, I was telling her in the car, oh my gosh, she's been a witness to an incredible testimony what God's done in just a few days. Like you said, give God 3 days. Oh my God. So let me explain this, because the glory is in the details. Check this out. On the way down here, I'm like, it's just another conference. I've been to conferences before. You go, you get hyped about Jesus, then you go home, and a week later you're smoking the same dope. It's just a conference. I've been hyped about Jesus before. Anybody can get hyped about Jesus. But the thing is, let me keep going. So, we get here, and the first night, man, I cannot just, I'm consumed. I'm consumed with this addiction. I can't get these thoughts out of my head. I just want to run. I've always ran. Every problem in my life, I've always ran. I just want to run. I want to get high. I hate myself. I just got out of jail. I'm in this deep depression. It's a black hole, and it's all me. And I feel like I'm collapsing in on myself, man. And everybody's worshiping and getting into this, and so I start talking to God, because I really need a way out of this life, man. And I go, God, just open my eyes, because I feel so blinded by everything that's going on. The first thing they start praying about, they say, all right, now everybody pray with me. I say, God, open my eyes. Give me ears to hear it. I feel that, you know. And so that night goes down, and I'm thinking to myself, I was like, you know, maybe I can press in. Maybe I can really be free. Because I want it more than anything. So the next day, that night, I have terrible dreams. All night I have dreams about using, and I wake up freaking out, anxiety attacks. It's terrible, man. And we come here the next day, I'm not ready to do this. You know? And I start praying, I'm like, it finally hits me. I haven't repented. God just speaks to me, he says, repent. I was like, huh. The worship was over, so we sit down, and then they do an altar call. I don't remember the situation, but I run up here to the corner, and the dude comes up to me and says, listen, man, just repent. Just repent. I started crying. I felt this forgiveness. I felt this sense of a clean slate, but I felt there's still something missing. I was like, where's that big rush of emotion and all that jazz that, you know, Holy Spirit roller coaster you're supposed to ride? So comes around and old dude starts talking about Jezebel's spirit. It says, man, you need to pray over your room. Because if you have bad dreams, you need to take control of the spirits. And man, I'm like, that's me. That's me. Let me get that. So they said, come on down here. And it's that consumption that I've allowed in. He said, get angry, man. Don't let this run your life. I said, yeah. I'm still missing something. I was like, where's that amazing LSD, Holy Spirit vibes? I was kind of down to that. Hey, I did pray in my room, and I didn't have one bad dream last night. I had asked all these questions all weekend, and it seems like every time I asked them, they answered them up here on stage or something. And there's just one more thing. I was frustrated, and I felt like I was missing. And they're like, well, we're doing breakout sessions. And I'm like, that sounds lame. Breakout sessions, the boys and the girls. Anyway, we go over there, and I'm listening. It's, some good stuff. I'm like, yeah, that's good. All right, cool. So I answer my questions. And this dude, Micah, starts talking. He's like, just on a side note, when I started really devoting my life to God in this, he said there's a theology I had to change. And I was listening. I was like, okay, you got my attention. He said I would come to God and be delivered, but then I go back and sin, and man, it's like a cycle. I was like, yeah, that's the cycle I've been going through. I feel that. Come to God, God fixed me. Something gets fixed, and then, a little bit later, I'm right back in the same sin I was in. And he said, I kept believing that I just had to get a better deliverance next time. That way it would be permanent, and I wouldn't go back to sin. I was like, yeah, that's what I've been thinking. And all of a sudden it hit me. I don't need greater deliverance. I need faith. I've been so hopeless, man. So we came home and we went back to the hotel, and man, it hasn't been off my mind. I just wanted to read my Bible all weekend. And that thing is a weapon, man. It is a weapon. I bust it open, I read 3 chapters, and then I opened up to Romans, and something in my head, I don't know what it was, but it was like, go to Romans 5. And I'm like, Romans 5, all right. And the very first 2 verses, it says, if you have faith in Jesus, you get peace. You get joy. You get love.
Come on, give God praise. Come on.
That's proof. He's alive. Jesus is alive. Do you believe that? A room full of witnesses in this room to testify that He has delivered you and brought you out of things there was no way you could have ever known freedom unless there is a God. And there is a God. Yes, we know that. Amen? Hey, I want to tell you a story. I want to tell you about something that happened. So sit down and be quiet. Don't talk while you're sitting down. Let me see more.